Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss about chapter 4 from the book Snapshots titled as Albert Einstein at School, written by Patrick Pringle. About the author, Pringle Lawrence Patrick was born on November 26, 1935 in Rochester, New York, United States. He was a teacher of science at Lima Center School. He was also the editor of Nature and Science magazine, freelance writer, and writer in residence at Keene College Union, New Jersey. Lawrence Patrick Pringle has been listed as a notable writer by Marcus Who's Who. About the lesson, Albert Einstein, life tenure 1879 to 1955, is regarded as the greatest physicist since Newton, the father of modern physics. Albert Einstein is famous to have discovered the theory of relativity, which marked a revolution in physics. However, how many of us know the fact that in his early school days he was a dull student and got expelled from his school? No teacher liked him, and he too, in turn, disliked attending school. This led to the school finally taking a decision in chasing him away. This chapter tells us how bad he was at history subject and what bad reputation he carried in the school. This lesson also talks about the education pattern of Germany at that time. Main characters: Albert Einstein, history teacher Mr. Baron, Albert's only friend Yuri, the doctor, the Ernest Wheel, mathematics teacher of Albert Einstein, that is Mr. Koch, Albert's cousin sister Elsa. Let's try to comprehend the story with the help of main points. Albert Einstein was not an ordinary student. He didn't like the traditional method of education. One day, the history teacher, Mr. Baron, asked him in the class in which year had the Prussians defeated the French at the Battle of Waterloo. Einstein replied that he didn't know and he must have forgotten. He told the teacher that he saw no point in learning dates, facts, and figures. These can also be looked up in a book. He said that learning facts was not education. He told the teacher that the ideas were more important than facts. The teacher was irritated and told Albert that he was a disgrace, he was an insult for the school, and should not continue in that school. When Einstein left school that afternoon, then he felt miserable. He wished his father would take him away. But Albert knew that his father would not do so. Albert lived in a small room in a poor locality of Munich. Munich, this is the place in Germany. He didn't mind the bad food, lack of comfort, and squalor of that area, but he didn't like the slum violence. The landlady in whose room he was living, she used to beat her children regularly. He didn't like the children crying all the time. He told all these things to Yuri. Albert's cousin Elsa lived in Berlin, but she used to come to Munich and visit Albert. The next time she came, Albert told him that he didn't think he would ever pass the exams for the school diploma. She told him that if he tried, it would not be difficult for him to pass because there were more stupid boys than him. He told Elsa that he was not good at learning things by heart. It means he didn't believe in rote learning. And apart from science, Albert was interested in music. He played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. After he had been in Munich for 6 months, Albert Einstein told Yuri, his friend, his only friend in Germany, he told him that he must get away from that place. He told Yuri that if he had a medical certificate that he suffered from nervous breakdowns, he could get rid of that school. He asked Yuri to help him. Yuri told him that he knew a doctor. His name was Dr. Ernest Weil. He could meet him and tell his problem, but he must be frank with him and should not try to deceive him. Einstein met Dr. Weil. He already knew that Einstein didn't want to continue in the school. He gave him the certificate that Albert wanted. Albert told his future plans to Dr. Weil. He would go to Milan. Milan, it is the place in Italy. He hoped to get admission into an Italian college or institute. It was possible if he could get a certificate from his mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch, about his proficiency in that subject. Albert's mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch, knew Albert's proficiency in mathematics. He gave him a glowing certificate. He wrote in the certificate that Albert Einstein was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Albert Einstein was summoned by the head teacher of the school. He told Albert that he wanted him to leave the school. Albert asked him the reason for expelling him from the school. The head teacher told him that he was in constant rebellion in the class. He had become a nuisance for the class. It was difficult for the history teacher to teach while Albert was in the class. Albert told the head teacher that he was going to leave the school on his own accord, on his own wish. Albert felt that the medical certificate had become useless. Then Albert walked out, holding his head high. The head teacher asked him to shut the door behind him, but Albert ignored him. He didn't even give a last look to his school. Yuri was the only person he felt like seeing before leaving Munich. Elsa was in Berlin. He had no other friends. Yuri wished him good luck in Milan. So this was the summary. Let's discuss about the theme. The basic theme of Albert Einstein at school is to throw light on the modern way of providing education. Education doesn't mean mugging up dates, rote learning. It means understanding facts and gaining practical knowledge. This chapter is a perfect example of this. So, this is all about our chapter 4, Albert Einstein at school. I hope these main points will help you to understand this lesson in a better way. Thank you. Thank you so much.